Wow, well, that's a rare event. I think that's the first time ever I've heard a siren up here. We're 30 miles from a hospital. Hope they can make it in time. Greetings, voyagers. This is the Penobscot River. We're just outside of Lincoln. There's a nice little boat ramp here. And a little vault toilet. That piece of land you're seeing on the other side is actually an island. The water flows around it on the other side. Nice little rest area here. Pretty little spot. Lots of natural beauty up here in Maine. Greetings, voyagers. Well, we're on the verge of a snowstorm. It's going to start raining overnight tonight, and then by morning it'll be snowing. We're going to get, I think they said 3 to 4 inches of snow tomorrow, which will be May 10th. Yeah, I mean, when will this winter ever end? But I fired up the new lawnmower, and I went over it. And I had to go out there with my loppers and cut down some shoots that were growing up that would have turned into trees. I want to keep the yard open. I like my trees, but I need some open space. So I did some yard work. It looks nice, all trim. Brand new lawnmower. Started right up on the first pull. Great. It's one of the cheaper models. There's no throttle control, so it's one speed only. But it did a pretty fair job. So yeah, I'm just heating up water. Ready to take my shower. It's been probably a few days, and yeah, we're gonna be socked in. I'm not gonna drive. I'm not gonna go anywhere during a snowstorm up here. So yeah, we're just gonna be hanging here until the storm is over, and until the snow clears, which will probably be maybe Sunday night, Monday. But the temperature is going to be in the mid-30s Fahrenheit, steady for next 2 days. Oh man. But yeah, we're making it work. You know, it's a little rustic living out here this way, but you know what? It's a very simple way to live, which makes it very reliable. But yeah, I'm heating water for my shower. I got the bucket. I got my sprayer, my spray hose, my shower curtain, and I'm good to go. So I'm going to take my shower first, and then my son will take his. I'm going to scoot into town so I can use the internet for a little bit, hopefully post this video. I won't be able to post anything over the weekend because we're going to be here during the snow. So I don't have a signal here. So I'll try to get this out when we go to town a little later on. But yeah, that's a quick update. Doesn't my yard look nice? All neatly mown now? For the first time this season. I love it here. It's such a pretty little spot. Yeah, storm's moving in. Just a quick clip. I'd love to be able to shoot some hyperlapse. These clouds streaming in. But we gotta finish taking our showers. We gotta head into town. Things to do, places to go. Yeah, it's getting windy, all right. Now tomorrow when it's snowing, I'll be able to set the Samsung up on the tripod just inside the door so it'll be out of the wind and it won't be shaky. And then let's see if I can get some hyperlapse video of the storm. I gotta get back to taking care of business, folks, so thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, tell your friends, and share, because sharing is caring. Peace out.